Wuhan Sinicline Industry Company Limited, established in 2003, focuses on the R&D, sales and global export of tags, labels, plastic display hangers, customized packaging boxes, and packaging bags. Our products are available in a wide range of specifications and styles, providing practical and brand-enhancing packaging solutions for various industries. They are widely used in apparel, fashion accessories, footwear, hats, handbags, beauty and skincare, pharmaceutical and healthcare sectors. With affiliated factory facilities located in Wuhan and Wenzhou, we benefit from strong manufacturing capabilities and efficient transportation networks, ensuring reliable domestic delivery and worldwide shipping services. We maintain strict quality management standards to meet the changing demands of international markets. Our experienced team is committed to understanding customer requirements in detail and providing responsive professional service throughout every stage of cooperation. Our affiliated factories have obtained internationally recognized certifications including ISO 9001, ESCI, GRS, and GMP, reflecting our commitment to product quality, environmental responsibility, and standardized manufacturing management. Supported by stable product quality, flexible production capacity, and competitive pricing, we have built long-term partnerships with customers from many countries and regions. We provide flexible OEM and ODM services, allowing customers to choose from existing product collections or develop customized solutions based on their own designs, materials, colors, sizes, logos, and packaging requirements. Our goal is to deliver reliable, cost-effective, and one-stop packaging solutions that help global customers strengthen brand image and market competitiveness, continuously and efficiently grow.